It's been challenging for motorists traveling along Spanish Town Road in the corporate area for the past few months. Pipe laying activities are causing traffic delays. Javon Keys has that story.
In November 2020, the National Water Commission (NWC) began extensive pipe replacement work along Spanish Town Road in the corporate area. Since then, it's been a challenge for motorists traversing the stretch. We began the journey at 6 miles, heading to the Darling Street Market District in downtown Kingston. Before the road work, it would usually take about 15 minutes outside of peak hour traffic to do so. On Wednesday, it didn't take long for us to get to where the work is taking place. We're in the vicinity of Berger Paints and J. Ray and Nephew along Spanish Town Road. Now, after 7 minutes of driving, we encountered what was the first major traffic holdup. Now, on either side, before the road construction, there were 3 lanes of traffic. However, that's been reduced to a single lane going towards the Portia Simpson Miller Square, and on the other side towards Mandela Highway, some of the traffic going towards Portia Simpson Miller Square has been diverted, reducing to 2 lanes the traffic heading towards Mandela Highway. After leaving that spot, the next area of congestion was by the Spanish Town Road Chesterfield Drive intersection. Once through the stoplight, traffic is again reduced to a single lane. It was smooth sailing thereafter heading towards the Hagley Park Road flyover until we got to the vicinity of the Spanish Town Road examination depot. The main road could easily pass for a riverbed. No steady passage as motorists do whatever necessary to maneuver the rough section. We're told it's been this way since late 2020.
Yeah, man, the road need for fix, man. Can't make no sense. Look how the road's there. The whole of the front end I mash up on them something there.
Like
so me I say, I watch it in the morning, the pandemic can the replace week. The morning I make already, because the taxi man might feel it.
Every week me I change ball joints and look for my tire now, a joke thing. And this taxpayer money I go to, what?
Communication manager at the National Works Agency, Stephen Shaw, says money has already been earmarked to fix the road.
Now, the work will involve the construction of additional drainage features in that space. We have one major concern, however, that being the National Water Commission project.
And that's expected to be completed by March 2022. Corporate Communications Manager at the NWC, Andrew Cannon, says up to late May, the project costing the government $3.5 billion was 35% complete.
That is supposed to factor in mainly the pipe laying activities, but given the nature of the work, we would not do the pipe laying and then know it's long after, before the end of March 22, we do the resurfacing.
Both agencies say until then, temporary solutions and traffic changes will continue. So after almost 30 minutes of driving along the 10-kilometer stretch of Spanish Town Road, encountering 2 major areas of pipe-laying activities as well as 1 area of deplorable road conditions, we finally made it to Darling Street, downtown Kingston. Javon Keys, TVJ News.